Here's how to transcribe audio to text for free on your PC. No subscriptions and no uploads. We'll use a free app that runs entirely on your computer, so once it's installed, you can transcribe as much as you want. It supports multiple languages, and the accuracy is excellent. Let's get started. First, head to the following website. You'll find a link right here at the bottom of the screen. It's called Vibe. It's free and open source and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Behind the scenes, it uses OpenAI's Whisper, one of the most accurate AI models for transcription. Go ahead and download and then install it. Once it opens, this is what the main interface looks like. It's very simple. Right here at the top, you can record audio. You could load a file. Right over here, you could paste in a link. Now, let's try transcribing an existing file. You can use an audio or video file. Now, my preferred method, you could simply drag and drop a file in. I'll drop in the intro to this video. Now, you could also add multiple files at once. Then, down at the bottom, simply click on Transcribe. And just like that, you've got your transcript. From here, you can copy it, save it, or print it. And over on the right-hand side, if you click on this dropdown, you can choose the file format before exporting. Now, you could use this for captions, meeting notes, interviews, or YouTube videos. And since this runs on your PC, you can transcribe unlimited audio for free. Before you go, there are a few extra options you might find useful. Right over here, let's click into more options. You can also automatically summarize your transcript. Just toggle this on, choose your platform, and it'll generate a concise summary for you. If you're working with multiple speakers, you can enable speaker detection to separate who said what. And you can also translate audio into English automatically. Larger files might take a little bit longer depending on your computer, but in most cases, this works really well. And that's it. You'll find links right down below in the description, and thanks for watching.